Welcome to this video, where we will guide you through managing the quick clean settings in the CCleaner app on your phone. If you want to customize what the app cleans to better suit your needs, this tutorial will help you easily adjust those settings for optimal performance and control. First, open the CCleaner app on your phone. Once the app is open, look for the three-line menu icon at the top right and tap on it. Next, scroll down the menu until you find the Settings option and select it. After that, locate the Quick Clean option within the settings and select it to see the list of categories that the app can clean. Then, you will see various cleaning categories such as visible caches, residual files, installed APK files, and others. You can simply toggle off any category you do not want the app to clean. This allows you to have full control over which files or data are removed during the cleaning process. By customizing these options, you can avoid deleting anything important while still keeping your phone optimized. Finally, once you have adjusted your preferences, you can exit the Settings menu and continue using the app as usual. These settings will be saved and used whenever you perform a quick clean, ensuring that only the categories you want are cleaned each time. By following these steps, you gain control over what is cleaned, helping to keep your device running smoothly without removing important data.